guys, look where I am. I'm in Rome. We decided to take a long trip here to Rome for our birthdays, and this is where I am. So we're in the square right at the Pantheon. I was going to start my vlog earlier, but it's just like been a bit crazy today. Oh, my battery's flashing. That's excellent. Exactly what I want to see. But I brought a spare one and a charger. We're going to get something to eat right now.
I can take a picture of you.
A little bit of a video before. In the Pantheon right now, and my battery's still flashing at me, so I'm just hoping I can get some of this done. But it's magnificent. It's like the coolest building ever. It was like a pagan building, and then it was overtaken by the Christians in 600 AD, but it is just fabulous, and it's just all marble. It's freezing in here, but it is like definitely one of the coolest buildings I've been in my entire life. It's so amazing. This is our room, guys. Look how amazing it is. And they left sweets on our pillows. It's so cute. And we have like a street view. And the window's open, which is really weird because they don't do that in Ireland, but you can like look down. Hey guys. I know I'm all over the place with vlogging today, but I literally let my camera run out of battery, and then we fell asleep for like 3 hours, and now we're going out for dinner. So I'm a little bit more on, like, caught up with sleep and a bit more ready to see the sights of Rome. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to go to the Spanish Steps first, then I think we're going to go and see the Trevi Fountain, and then we're going for something to eat on this like nice square that has a fountain on it. What's it called?
I don't know, but you're correct.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. So I'm going to bring you along, guys. You're going to come with me. Hey. Currently we're walking to go get something to eat towards the Spanish Steps. Well, that's where we're going next. But we're like down this like really lovely street. Well, actually all the streets here are lovely, but this particular one has all like the expensive brands on it. So like Cartier, Bulgari, Chanel, like stuff that I could never afford, but it's like really nice just to walk down the street. And there's cobbles everywhere in Rome, so if you are coming to Rome, make sure you bring appropriate footwear, because my boyfriend's been here before and he didn't tell me that I needed to bring appropriate footwear. Luckily I did, because I'm intelligent enough and I've been to cities before. But yeah, if you've never been to Rome, there's cobbles everywhere. So it's worse than Dublin, because it's like only Temple Bar that they have cobbles, but it's just really cobbly, which is lovely, but not great if you brought inappropriate footwear. Yeah, so that's what we've learned. Lesson today, always bring appropriate footwear. But yeah, this street's really nice. All the Christmas decorations are still up because they're obviously celebrating Christmas still, but like it's more, I don't know, like more of a big holiday here than it is at home. Like nothing was open, well, not that nothing's open, but like tours and stuff are hard to get like after the 6th, because obviously the 6th is Little Christmas, but like it's just, they're very much into the holiday spirit. The lights are so pretty here, I'll show you. Oh, look at the lights. These lights are just fantastic. So many people here. More Spanish Steps. We're climbing the Spanish Steps. Obviously, like, it's late and it's dark, so we can't really get like good pictures. So we're gonna get some, I think, tomorrow evening or the next day, or maybe Monday, yeah, because tomorrow we're in the Vatican all day. Wow. Alright.
This is a landmark. I don't know what it is.
It's quite cool. So this is it. Aww. Oh my god. So guys, we're at the Trevi Fountain, and it's actually kind of strange because it's in a smaller area than I thought it would be in. It's kind of like crammed. It's back there. It's kind of like in a crammed area. I don't know, like it's like not what I was expecting. I was expecting like this massive big square. Like it is on a big square, but just not as big as I actually thought it would be. But it's very pretty, like it's really spectacular. Obviously, like it's show-stopping, like it's absolutely incredible looking. But I was just expecting like the square to be bigger or something. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's beautiful. It's so pretty.
Do you want to get down there or there?
Okay. Do you want to try and go down there?
Have you ever
Wow. Okay, so Paddy brought me into a cafe thing, chocolate place with a wall of melted chocolate. So cool. I'm walking by these like real cool columns as well. Right now you'll see them. It's so cool. It's just like every single place you turn around is like something ancient and some sort of like ruins of something, and it's just like the most fun ever, because if you know me, you know that I'm big into like history and like I love anything old, and like here is just like one big museum. Open museum. Wow. So cool. Like I said, like every single place you turn around there's like another like ruin or something like really old, and it's just, my hair is mad. It's just so cool. I just absolutely love it. I love everything about it. And you know what, like being here at night or like walking around at night is actually really nice, because it's like a lot of places are like lit up and stuff, and you can see them much better than during the day when it's just, obviously it still looks spectacular, but like I don't think anything looks as cool as it does at night. Alright, do you have money?
I don't say something more really, no problem.
But we started the day. I didn't mean to say that. We're back where we started the day. We're back at the Pantheon now. I think we're nearly close to where we're going for dinner, but I hope we are, because I am famished. We had pasta earlier on. Actually, didn't even talk about that. We had it just here in the square in the Pantheon. It was really, really nice. But I had carbonara, and I don't think I've ever eaten carbonara as nice. Like the food here is unreal. So I'm gonna get myself a pizza tonight and some vino. I'm very much looking forward to it, so I'll talk to you later. There's a little carousel down there.
This is the fountain in Angels and Demons.
Paddy's been to Rome before, as you might have already guessed. But he was here before at this fountain, and I don't know whether he had dinner in this area or not, but he said it was really nice for dinner. Just the ambiance and stuff, and wanted to bring me here for dinner tonight, so I'm so excited to go to dinner here. It's so pretty, like just like the view and everything like that, and we're going to like one of these little restaurants along the way, and I can't wait for my pizza. I swear, it's like I'm living for it. My mouth is watering thinking about it.
Spicy salami.
I really like this spicy salami.
Is that what we normally get?
No, we get pepperoni. Pepperoni. Are you allowed to take pictures from there then?
Stuff like that.
Okay. Thank you. Grazie. Ooh. Yeah, cheers. We're on the way back to the hotel now. We just got our ice cream, our gelato, and it's so delicious. I got chocolate and pistachio, and Patty got a cone. They're so nice, like, and there's like Nutella on the inside. Oh, we're gonna get killed. There's Nutella on the inside. Pretty tired, so we're gonna go home to the hotel for the night, and we'll catch up with you in the AM for more activities. So I'll talk to you guys then. Ciao bella.